Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys, giving your favorite dish, your favorite drinks, tea, whatever you think of, whatever you name it. This is where you're supposed to be. Anyway, today we want to give you a nice, lovely tea. It is garlic tea for all of the ladies who want to get ready for summer, who want to shape good, who want to look good, who want to lose that flat, who want to get that flat tummy, who want to, you know what I mean? This is the place to be. Anyway, the only way you can do this, guys, and I'm telling you, trust me on this one, this is real thing. If you can drink 1 month of garlic tea, this will help you to be looking really good, fit, nice, and have that perfect shape for summer. Summer, you need to lose weight or you need to do something. This is where it comes in handy. We are talking about garlic. A lot of people don't like to eat garlic, raw garlic, but I'm telling you, garlic is the best thing for you. It's good to fight against cancer, sugar, diabetes, everything. Make your poo soft and all these things. So guys, if you want to get that perfect shape for summer, drink 1 month of garlic tea. You got about a month and a couple of weeks to go before summer, so get ready for summer. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments, get a copy of the cookbook, 50% off on Amazon. And second thing, don't forget to donate. Whatever you want to donate. If you have too much money, this is where you can donate some to Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. See you next time. Nice and lovely. So we're going to show you how you can make yourself a nice, lovely garlic tea for the summer girls. And the girls that want to lose their tummy and get rid of that tummy and get the flat tummy. So, first of all, you need to do this even up to 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 4 weeks or every morning you can think of to lose that weight. Garlic is really good for you, and garlic do fight against a lot of stuff inside of your system. If you're cooking, when my granny went back in Jamaica, when my granny cooking, she never left out garlic. She always cooked with garlic. And now she always said garlic is good for food, garlic is good for flavor, garlic is good for everything you can think of. Garlic do fight against a lot of stuff inside of your body. You're talking about arthritis, diabetes, sugar, cancer. Help make your bone more fitter, give you energy, make your poo soft, make you lose weight, make you have flat tummy. So garlic can do so many things, guys, and I'm introducing you to my garlic drinks today. My garlic tea. Simple, 3 cups of garlic. Don't use a knife what I'm doing. You can use a bread knife. I'm just gonna, or a table knife, crush my garlic like this and remove the trash from it. As you can see, put it straight inside of my glass. Look at that, 3 cups of garlic. Nice one. And simple boil your kettle. And the beauty is garlic fight against cold. Even like now it's coming up to summer, a lot of people got sinus, a lot of people have hay fever. You need to drink a lot of garlic tea, because it's the garlic tea which is going to help you to be healthy in the summer. Then honey, 1, 2 teaspoons of honey. Really nice. As you can see, this is exactly what I'm talking about. And also you can cover it and make it draw for about 5 minutes, like you're drawing a mint tea. Make all of the flavor go straight inside of the water from the garlic. And after you drink down the tea, the tea from the garlic, you just eat the garlic, and that can keep you right straight through the day till the next morning. You can have another one, or you can do it in the night before you go to your bed, because sometimes some people, I don't want garlic to smell in my mouth when I'm talking to people. And I'm telling you, if you want to be healthy, guys, you just have to just move with it and work with the system and just be healthy. know what I mean? Some people might just say, oh, I don't like the garlic scent, I don't like this, I don't like that. But a lot of people doesn't know that garlic is really good for you, and that's a lot of people cook with garlic. If I'm cooking and I'm not using garlic, my pot not gonna be the same. Because the garlic got a lot of flavor, got a lot of spice in it, and trust me, the garlic, guys, is just amazing to know that ladies can use this to lose their weight, and ladies, you can use this to make that tummy go flat. You have to do this for 2 weeks by drinking garlic tea and eat the garlic after. This is what gonna help you. If you want to look that summer shape on that, you know what I mean, that nice lovely look for the summer, this is what you're gonna do. You don't need to take injection or take tablet or do some silly stuff to look the shape where you want to look. You can go the natural way and the healthier way, which is this way. This is gonna prune your body, you know what I mean. This is just come like, you know, gonna just gonna take out everything which need to come out of your system and put in new system. So you're gonna be transformed from the old system to a new system. So the garlic, what the garlic do, if you notice how this one is growing, it is killing the bottom root right here, and it's growing up a fresh one up here, and it's still have the root down there. But what's gonna happen now, all of the outside gonna be dried off and feel stiff. They can feel it start to get soft. That's what happened. So it's take its time growing. So that's what's gonna happen. Your body gonna transfer to a new body like this one. It's a new garlic is growing. So I have this in my house for about a week now, and look, it start to grow. So just to try to show you how garlic is really good for you, and hopefully this will be a benefit to you. So enjoy it, guys, and see you next time. This is from Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Remember to donate to the YouTube channel if you got too much money and you don't know what to do with it, and also subscribe, leave your comments, and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Chef Ricardo, and also my Facebook like page, Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. See you next time. Bye bye.